In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a Wufoo form code into your WordPress website. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate a Wufoo form into your WordPress site, making it easy to collect information from your visitors. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to your Wufoo account. If you haven't already signed up or created an account, make sure you do so, as you'll need access to your forms. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Forms section, where all your created forms are listed. Next, you'll locate the specific form that you want to embed on your WordPress site. Find the form in the list and look for the Share Form button, which will be displayed next to it. Click on this button. This action will present you with several options for sharing your form. For our purposes, you'll want to select the Embed with WordPress option. This is crucial because selecting this option will generate the code snippet that's specifically formatted to work with WordPress, ensuring that your form displays correctly on your site. Now, after selecting the Embed with WordPress option, Wufoo will provide you with a code snippet. This is the piece of code you'll be adding to your WordPress site. Copy this snippet to your clipboard, making sure to grab the entire length of the code so everything functions properly. With your Wufoo embed code copied, let's move over to your WordPress site. Decide whether you want to place your form on a new page, an existing page, or perhaps a post. Go to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where you want the form to appear. If it helps, keep notes or a draft ready to ensure this process stays organized. Once you've identified the appropriate location, you'll need to edit the page or post. WordPress's editor is intuitive, but you'll want to ensure you're placing the code correctly. When you've opened the page for editing, look for the area of the content where you want your form to be displayed. Here, in the content area, you will paste the Wufoo form embed code you copied earlier. WordPress supports a shortcode format, which is why this embedded code will work without additional adjustments. Simply locate the right spot and paste in the code. Finally, don't forget to save and preview your changes to ensure everything appears as you expect. By doing so, you confirm that the form renders correctly and is ready for your visitors to use. If anything looks off, you might want to double-check that all parts of the code were copied and pasted accurately and refresh your WordPress page. And there you have it, a Wufoo form neatly embedded into your WordPress site. This simple addition can significantly enhance the functionality of your site, allowing you to capture valuable information effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your newfound form integration.